Okay guys, so how to get unlimited real human traffic to your affiliate link and get unlimited leads and commission and of course sales daily using my secret traffic, my top secret traffic. I will show you all the traffic that I am using to promote my affiliate links. I am using this traffic to promote my ClickBank affiliate link, my CPA offers, and you can promote any landing page or any affiliate network program and get leads guaranteed. So traffic source number one is Twitter. You can see this Twitter, you can make your campaign and get real human traffic to your affiliate link and get unlimited leads and sales daily. Twitter is very good to promote your affiliate link, and the reason you can get a very target traffic to your affiliate link. Traffic source number two, and I think this is the best traffic and very cheap traffic. You can use this traffic to rank your site higher in Google, and of course you can run your landing page or any affiliate links and get leads and real human traffic daily. Traffic source number three is YouTube. YouTube is one of the big video channels in the world, like you know that, and you can promote your video using YouTube advertising. You can it's very easy. All you have to do is add your video, and your video will run. Of course, it depends your target. You can run your video target country or target niche and get unlimited views and very target visitors to your links. Traffic source number four is this is YouTube. Okay, this is YouTube traffic source number 1, 2, 3, 4 is traffic cache list. Like you see, this one of the biggest traffic network that you can use to promote your affiliate link. Like you can see, you can get unlimited website visitors. You can use solo ads, premium traffic, lifetime traffic, and more. This is one of the best website traffic that you can use to promote your affiliate link or your landing page. Of course, you can use this traffic to promote your CPA offers. Okay, next, traffic source number 5 is Reddit ads. Reddit ads, it's also very good and target traffic. You can see Reddit ads. There's millions of members using this traffic source or this website services, so you can use this option, this website, to advertise your website or your affiliate links. You can run any campaign using this traffic source. You can run your max bounty or any affiliate program or CPA network. That's all, guys. That was all the 5 traffic source that you can use to promote your affiliate link or your landing page. Twitter ads, turbo website traffic.com, youtube.com, trafficcashlist.com, Reddit Reddit ads, okay, reddit.com. I hope you like this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to my channels for more videos and for more updates. Thank you again for watching this video, and have a good day. Thank you very much.